Hey everyone, it's your DIY crypto guy. The title of this video is Buy the Motherfucking Dip. I have to use strong language just to get it through to all the FUD out there regarding, yes, the Biden administration came out with their capital gains tax, but after doing some research and thinking about it, it really doesn't matter. And I'll get into it, but first with my disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial, legal, nor tax advice. So what happened yesterday? Yes, some people say, well, it was a much needed healthy pullback, blah, blah, blah. And others, even just look at the stock market due to Biden's, 43% capital gains tax, which is doubling from the previous administration. And also in California, capital gains is going to go over 50%. But you know what? Who gives a shit how the government wants to try and tax cryptos? Because guess what? You never have to sell Bitcoin or some of your cryptos that you hold. And what do you mean by that? Why sell it? Use it as like a 401k. You can take loans out against it. You can use it as collateral. You never ever have to sell Bitcoin. So that's just a little bit of a insight. Just looking quickly at the market, and as predicted, we are back up from yesterday. So yes, we had 1.8 trillion. Bitcoin, yes, it dipped under 50,000. Now we're back up to almost 51,000. Ethereum reached an all-time high yesterday, I think early yesterday, at about $2,600. Guys, in my opinion, we're going to see a 200,000 plus Bitcoin and possibly a $20,000 to $30,000 Ethereum. XRP is doing well. I've got some articles that I think my XRP holders will be very interested in. So just quickly going into Ripple, XRP. This is some very, very interesting. So Ripple has a escrow account. And within that escrow account are the XRP token holdings. So what they're saying here is Ripple is open to destroying a massive 50 billion worth of XRP holdings. What's that going to do to the supply of XRP? It's going to drop. Ripple Chief Executive Brad Garlinghouse says Ripple is open to new ideas regarding their massive trove of XRP. Just to kind of go down, Garlinghouse doesn't rule either of those options out, and as said, Ripple had no plans to dump the crypto asset on the open market. Some people like to position the escrow as Ripple somehow dumping XRP on the community. It makes no sense for Ripple or any of the people around Ripple to dump XRP. Well, people had a concern, so this is going to severely impact the amount of XRP that will be available. Another XRP news. Look at this. High-profile investors are now buying XRP, according to asset management firm CoinShares. If Ripple is under a SEC lawsuit, why would massive financial houses be buying XRP? High net worth investors are allocating additional funds for XRP. In its new digital assets fund flows report, digital asset managers CoinShares says the crypto asset is now the top rising altcoin among its institutional investors. I hope you guys are buying XRP. If you're in the United States, as you know, the majority of the trading platforms do not allow you to purchase XRP, but I think Uphold, I know Binance International, I know Robinhood, but I definitely advise against utilizing the Robinhood platform. Do your research. You can still trade and purchase XRP in the United States. And kind of going back to, this is just one of the reasons why there was a bit of a dip yesterday. The timing of the Bitcoin price plunge also coincided with the release of the US President Biden plans to raise taxes on wealthy individuals. So let me just ask you guys out there, some of you are aware, some of you may not be. Why is it that for the last 4 years, taxes were dropped and we had the biggest GDP biggest economic boom in 4 years. Now we have a new administration and companies are leaving, taxes are up, incentives are gone. Why not just keep the status quo of what was happening over the last 4 years? But again, I don't want to get political, but it doesn't really matter. If these guys want to try and increase taxes on your crypto holdings, it doesn't matter. You don't have to sell it. So just something to take into consideration. But that's about it. I think this weekend we're going to see the cryptos come back nicely. Again, I focus heavily on the total crypto market cap, see what monies are coming in and what's going out. I think we're going to be pleasantly surprised. So these dips, kind of getting back to what it means to buy the dip. That's buying at a discount. And if you notice, short term, those of you that have just started getting into cryptos, whenever there is a dip of 10, 20, 30%, it's not the end of the world. What happens within 24 to 48 hours? These dips get bought up very, very, very quickly. They want to shake out your holdings. They want to scare you. It goes back into that whole FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Every country's going to ban it. Oh, the government's going to ban it. Oh, the government's going to confiscate it. Oh, the banks are not going to use it. Guys, it's all bullshit. It's BS. They don't want you to make money. They don't want you to invest in cryptos. It goes against their beliefs, and they don't want you to be wealthy. They, government, IRS, big banks. So follow what the big money is doing. If they're buying, so should you. Not financial advice, but if you start, monitoring these trends, the best time, if it's your first time getting into cryptos, wait for the biggest drop, and you'll notice it, 10, 15, 20%. Now what's going to happen? The cryptos are going to go back up to wash out that 10, 20, 30% loss, and then they're going to go up. Look at Binance Coin. Binance Coin was down 15, 20%. Right now it's up 4%. If you bought yesterday and you hold it to now, you'd be up 24% in 12 hours. Let that sink in. That's it for me, guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will come out with another video tomorrow just to see where the coin market cap will be. And what I might do is I might pick a altcoin, and I'll show you my strategy on what I look for that has proven to be quite advantageous in how to buy and trade quickly and make some extra money on the side. Again, this is money that you can tell your boss to piss off. This is money you can tell the bank to piss off. This is money for you and your family to grow and become financially independent. All right, guys, hope you have a good weekend, and I will be with you guys again tomorrow with another video. Thanks a lot. Cheers.